guys, and by the way, I know you can program these by plugging it into the ESC. This has a MAVA ESC. Link down below to the video where I got this thing, introducing it. I showed all the electronics and whatnot. So like, is there like a programmer for this one? Because I know there's like programmers you get for it, and you can like plug them into the PC, or you can just plug it into that thing and like turn down the braking that way. But that's what some people told me, is that I need to turn down my braking on the thing. That's why it's making a sound every single time I hit the brakes, because the brakes like